Want to connect Wi-Fi on your Apple Watch? By doing this, you can access internet features even when your iPhone isn't nearby, like receiving messages, using Siri, or updating apps. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect your Apple Watch to a Wi-Fi network. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Connect Wi-Fi from the control center. Tap on the side button to bring the control center. Here you can see the Wi-Fi icon. Now press and hold on the Wi-Fi icon. Enable it. Now scroll down and find your network. Tap on it. Then enter your password. Next, tap Join from the top right corner. Now tap on the network. Here you can see Forget this network. That means your Wi-Fi is connected. Method 2. Connect Wi-Fi from the settings. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. After that, tap Wi-Fi. Next, enable the Wi-Fi. Now scroll down and find your network. Tap on it. Then enter your password. Next, tap Join from the top right corner. And your Wi-Fi is connected now. And this is how you can connect your Apple Watch to a Wi-Fi network. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Till then, stay tuned.